Okay, Terry, I think you wanted to see a video. I'll go from power up. Powering up the board. You can see over here, there's a Linux window up on top, and that's Linux booting. The bottom window that's the Neos coming up with a little menu that we're not going to use in button mode initially. Takes a second for the display to come up, and then pretty soon you'll see Linux come up. Now we have this button turns the backlight up, and the other button, number 4, turns the backlight down. And then this button toggles through different patterns. This is gray bars and black and white bars. This shows you contrast: a white screen, a black screen, red, green, blue, and back to color bars. And then if you press all 4 of them, a little difficult, something like that. Then you get this Neos menu, and you can go to the keyboard and say, let me back this up. You can change pattern here. You can turn the backlight. Let's change the pattern. Turn the backlight up and turn the backlight down. And then you can also do things here that are just sort of diagnostic, that you can measure the LCD clock rate, 27.2. You can list the supported displays, and here's the ones that we have supported so far. So there's a little utility and debugging and capability if you use that serial port, but it's a cable here that would have to be plugged in. It's difficult to plug in when the whole thing's in the box, so I don't know if that's going to work, but anyway, just so you know, there's a menu program too. And then you can see Linux is now up in the background. That's running on the same board. You can actually plug in a keyboard and a mouse and run applications on the graphics screen. So that's all working. So that's it. If you have a better idea of what it is now. Okay.